come here to enjoy this exciting semi-final clash between the reigning WFL Cup holders and United brothers, who are on a rich vein of form going into this game. haokhok on the attack straight away. Janso goes past Somishang. Janso, good ball in by Janso. Kangam with a head to it. And haokhok nearly opening the scoring right in the first minute of the game. Ikror to Ashang. Ashang looking for Kangam. Kangam got a flick on. Nearly fell to chance. Has fallen to Yami. And Yami returns for haokhok. And Yami returns with a wonderful strike to give haokhok the lead here.
haokhok SC 1, United Brothers Football Club 0, goal scorer.
Apam was playing in midfield instead of at the back, albeit it's being in the defensive midfield position. Apam. Janso plays it down the channel for Ikror. Plays it back to Janso. Janso with a cross in. Kangam! And surely now haokhok have booked their place in yet another final of the WFL Cup. The defending champions, the defending cup champions are 2 goals up. And Server Dongshung, Pisin, Tamting, playing it forward for Janso. Janso has the pace to get ahead of him. Janso, Kangam! The result is all now sealed for haokhok. Wonderful counter-attacking football from haokhok. And Janso yet again providing the assist to Kangam, who scores his second goal of the game. And surely now haokhok FC, the defending cup champions, have put Siwu Chungwyo flips it forward for Kangam. Shankwe, mistake from Shankwe. Kangam looking for his hat-trick. It's the upright Kangam. What a hat-trick that would have been for Kangam. Very unlucky to number 19. And that will be the last action of the game as the referee blows the final whistle. And haokhok will have a chance to defend the WFL Cup against Meipung yet again in what will be a repeat of the WFL Cup final on a Saturday.